So here was the trend line break and retest trade for a buy, and here the price broke this trend line, and if here would have been a failed trade for a sell based on trend line break and retest here. We'll continue with the trend line analysis. This is Kiwi 4 hour. Let's draw a trend line. This is the price action for the week just completed, and this was for previous week. So draw a trend line here because price was dropping high, lower high, low, and was dropping lower low. So let's connect these highs to this high, assuming we do not know the price action over here. Okay, connect straight down here and then switch to candlestick. So price moved down and it moved up here and broke this trend line. Okay, broke this high here and retested the trend line, moved up again and retraced. So draw a line here. This is the support. This is the low here. Okay. So this is the support. Moved up, retrace. Could have taken a trade here, but I think this was late Friday, so a bit too late to take. So wait for the following week. That was the week that just completed here. So price moved up and retraced. So when there's a few consolidation here, draw a line across. This one, stupid. Okay, draw a line across. Price moved up and came back to the support. So there was a trade here, and this was what time? This was during Asia. There was a trade here. So during Asia, there was a trade here, then price moved up and gave a retracement around towards this high here, and it moved up. So draw a line here as well because this is support. This is the support. Okay, and then price moved up and dropped towards this support, violated this and held here. So now when we have to take this trend line now and draw it the other way around. This we have to do it at the beginning of the week. So I'm connecting this to this, okay? Assuming this price has not taken place, I'm connecting this to this here. This price here, this low here to low, and then I pull across. So here the price is violated. Let me just go here. Okay, here price has violated the trend line here. Now when it gave a pullback here, if we were to take a trend line retest trade here for a short, it would have been a failure. Okay, this would have been a failed trade here because price moved up, and this can happen. However, if you do the other way around, take this low here the wick here, connect to this wick here, okay, and assuming you do not know the price action, what's going to take place here, just go across, okay. And you can see there's a reaction here on this trend line here. It acted as support here, and the support coincide here and moved up. So now, I know there's too many trend lines there. I have to remove it first. I'm going to draw. Now I'm going to highlight this area. This is the low. And I go to this low. And go to this low. So now we'll turn to 15 minutes. So this was the low, the first low, and then a trend line break. Retest was here. If you're not sure to take a trade here, this was a no, this was the retest, the first one, then the following. This was on Friday, the second retest. A bit too late, so wait for the following week. There, of the high, testing of the high. The high here has become a support here. So now this has bounced from here. So wait for a pullback. So this was the pullback during Asia. You could have taken this trade. And another pullback here during Asia the following day. And this would have been a failed, somewhere here you would have failed for a short because of the retest. But if you look at this one, the support stands here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this would have been a long if you had taken from here, since this support held. So each time when the market drops like this, it will always give a retracement. So based on that, could have taken a trade here for a buy, and then there, this is the trade. So this is how trend line is used to determine the direction, and then do the adjustments, this kind of adjustments. One is here, this one, from here to here, connect, and then you draw across, and this is based on wick, this wick to this wick. Just assuming you do not know this price action, just draw across. There's a reaction here. Okay, that's all for now.